fell back by 19 points early in the first half. But we just kept our focus. We played it possession per possession. Just hung in there and played with some patience. No? Also, we were playing to their pace in the first half. When we push the pace, I guess that's the time we are really able to play our game. So throughout the series, we should be able to keep pushing the ball and going into transition. It's a team effort. No, we're not asking our import to produce incredible numbers for us. No? But we're just asking him to be there, steady, no? Not get dominated in the middle, which is always our problem whenever we play Ginebra. We get dominated in the middle by their bigs, no? Especially Greg. But with an import who's as wide and strong as P, we're able to minimize that kind of a damage. No? So he's not really an import who will produce incredible numbers, but he keeps us steady. No? He gives us stability inside the court. I considered myself very lucky that we were in the game, no, in the second half. Because in the first half, if you watch the first quarter, parang wala na kami. Parang tapos na dun sa first quarter yung laro. Buti nakabalik pa kami. No? So noong second half, and the game was close, no, we were falling behind a few points, and then we got the lead by 5 or 6. I considered myself very lucky because at that point, if they had continued on with the kind of game they played in the first half, baka going through the motions na lang yun. Pero we were in the game. We put ourselves back in the game, and that was very important. Just give yourself a chance to win in the end game, which is what happened. Well, that's the rule, no? Sinabi na sa amin yon, if you cross the half court, the hash line, that's an automatic technical. And that's why I was asking the refs why he could do that, no? Because they stated the rules very clearly. So coaches, I mean, maybe you can get beyond the hash line by 2 or 3 steps, but he was already on our side, no? I don't think there's any question about a technical foul there. So, and if I did as much complaining as he did, I would have been given another technical foul. I would have been ejected. So that was something we were also asking the referees about. Bakit pag ako, ang bilis ng dalawang technical? Pag sila, bigay na bigay. Kaya lang tinechnical ng referee yun. Sinabihan ko yung referee, pwede ba yan? Sabi ko, nasa rule natin, hindi pwede yan. Doon lang siya tinechnical. Kung hindi ko pala sinabi yun, hindi pala ite-technical eh. Anyway, ganyan ang buhay talaga. Well, he's been playing solidly for us the last few games. No, he's been working hard in practice. He's in great shape now. He's injury-free. No? Hopefully, sana, knock on wood, no? Wala naman mangyari. No? Paul is getting back from injury. He still has a small tear dun sa kanyang meniscus na hindi pa completely healed. No? So, iniingat-ingatan pa rin namin si Paul. No? So, well, ayoko lang magsalita ng maaga kasi kung minsan pag nagsasalita ka tsaka biglang may na-injure. No? But we're really happy now that everybody can play.